Welcome to the bonus lesson, Private Label Rights. So the first question you might have is, what are private label rights? Well, private label rights are literally things like ebooks and video courses that you actually are given the license to be able to edit. Now you have three different kinds of licenses. You have master resale rights, you have resale rights, and then you have private label rights. Now with both master resale rights as well as resale rights, you are not usually given the opportunity to actually do any editing. You can just sell the product as your own and keep 100% of the profit. However, if you have private label rights licenses, that allows you to have the license to be able to edit the product to your heart's desire. Ordinarily, you'd be allowed to edit the cover, as well as edit the content. And the best part about that is it makes it 100% yours. Now, it's strongly advised that you do edit the content and not just sell it as is, because if you edit it and make it completely unique to you, you then get seen as the expert. You can put your own stories into it, you can give your own examples, you can make it so as it sounds more like you rather than the person who originally wrote it. Now, if you also don't wish to be able to sit there for hours typing and rewriting yourself, you can also use content like 𝗕cie_𝗶𝘆, which I showed you in a previous video. And with 𝗕cie_𝗶𝘆, you can then add content and change it to your heart's desire. So if you can, please make sure that you get a private label rights license, not master resale rights or resale rights, because private label rights will allow you to be able to edit. Now do make sure you completely change it. You need to be able to change the cover, the titles, the subtitles, as well as the main content. I would strongly suggest that you add extra content to the introduction. You can give a little blurb about yourself, and you can also talk about your experiences and what you've done. Not too much though, because it's not about you, it's about the content in the book itself. After all, that's why people are there. Making sure that you change the title is vital, because you'll find that by changing the title or the name of the ebook, you then get seen as a completely different book to everybody else's. Changing the subtitles is also important, because by doing that, you're being seen as unique. And definitely change the main content. As I said before, use 𝗕cie_𝗶𝘆 or another article rewriter to do something like that for you. There's another one called WordTune that you might be interested in looking at as well. As I mentioned before, you can change the content using 𝗕cie_𝗶𝘆. Now, I keep talking about this primarily because it makes life so much easier. It writes it just like a human being does, and I have to say that the content rewritten is second to none. And it's hard for Google to be able to tell that it was written by a bot, because it is so well written. You can also turn your ebook into a video course. It'll give more value to your customer, and it'll also label you as the expert in your field. Plus, people consume videos far more than they like to read ebooks these days. Even though ebooks are quite often quite short, people prefer to watch videos in their time or listen to them in their car. So do make sure that you create a video course using the ebook that you've received. You can create a PowerPoint slide presentation, and then you can read it out onto the PowerPoint slide. This way you don't stumble and stutter around too much, and you can stay logical and coherent. Once you have edited your product, where do you sell it? Well, for ebooks, you can sell it on places like Fiverr, as well as eBay, and also places like 𝗕𝗰𝗲𝗂. Now, if you decide to create a video course, you can also sell it on places like Udemy, as well as Skillshare. Okay, now that's it for this particular video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.